Find the coordinates of point F along the directed line segment CD so that the ratio of CF to FD is 3 to 5. In order to divide the segment into a ratio of 3 to 5, think of dividing the segment into 8 equal parts. So then point F is 3/8 from point C to point D. First, find the slope of CD. So the slope of line segment CD is -3 minus 5 divided by 8 plus 4, which equals -8 divided by 12, which is the rise over the run. So in order to find point F, you want to add 3/8 of the run and 3/8 to the rise to the coordinates of point C to find the coordinates of point F. So the run is 3/8 times 12, which equals 9/2, which equals 4 5/10. And the rise is 3/8 times -8, which equals -3. So then the coordinates of point F are -4 plus 4 5/10, 5 minus 3, which is 5/10, 2. So the ratio of CF to FD is 3 to 5. Determine which of the lines are parallel and which of the lines are perpendicular. In order to find which lines are parallel and which lines are perpendicular, you need to find the slope of each line. So the slope of line A is 6 divided by 2, which equals -3. Because looking at the picture, you go up 6 units and to the left 2 units. The slope of line B is 6 divided by -2, which is -3. Because looking at the picture, you go up 6 units and to the left 2 units. The slope of line C is 3 divided by 9, which is 1/3. Because looking at the picture, you go up 3 units and to the right 9 units. And the slope of line D is 5/8. Because looking at the picture, you go up 5 units and to the right 8 units. So because line A and line B have the same slope, line A is parallel to line B. Because 1/3 times -3 equals -1, line A and line C are perpendicular, and line B and line C are perpendicular. Write an equation of the line passing through the point -4, 6 that is parallel to the line y equals 3x minus 4. The slope of your line is m equals 3 because parallel lines have the same slope. Use the slope-intercept form to find the equation of your line. Plugging in the point -4, 6 and slope 3 gives 6 equals 3 times -4 plus b. Simplifying gives 6 equals -12 plus b. Adding 12 to each side gives 18 equals b. So y equals 3x plus 18 is parallel to line y equals 3x minus 4 and passes through the point -4, 6. You can check your work by graphing the two lines. Graph the original line y equals 3x minus 4. Then graph the line that you found, y equals 3x plus 18. Notice that y equals 3x plus 18 passes through the point -4, 6, and the two lines do appear parallel. Write an equation of the line passing through the point -12, 6 that is perpendicular to the line y equals 2/3 x minus 10. The slope of your line is m equals -3/2 because 2/3 times -3/2 is -1. Use the slope-intercept form to find the equation of your line. Plugging in the point -12, 6 and slope -3/2 gives 6 equals -3/2 times -12 plus b. Simplifying gives 6 equals 18 plus b. Subtracting 18 from each side gives -12 equals b. So y equals -3/2 x minus 12 is perpendicular to line y equals 2/3 x minus 10 and passes through point -12, 6. You can now check your equation by graphing both lines. Graph the original line y equals 2/3 x minus 10. Then graph the line that you found, y equals -3/2 x minus 12. Notice that y equals -3/2 x minus 12 passes through the point -12, 6, and the lines appear perpendicular. Find the distance from the point 6, -2 to the line y equals 2x minus 4. Begin by finding the equation of a line that is perpendicular to the line y equals 2x minus 4 and passes through the point 6, -2. A line that is perpendicular to the line y equals 2x minus 4 will have slope m equals -1/2 because -1/2 times 2 equals -1. Then use the slope-intercept form to find the equation of your perpendicular line. Substitute in the given information, which gives -2 equals -1/2 times 6 plus b. Simplifying gives -2 equals -3 plus b. Adding 3 to each side gives 1 equals b. So the equation of your perpendicular line is y equals negative 1/2 x plus 1. Substitute this back into the original equation of your line, y equals 2x minus 4. So 2x minus 4 equals negative 1/2 x plus 1. Adding 4 to each side gives 2x equals negative 1/2 x plus 5. Adding 1/2 x to each side gives 5/2 x equals 5. Then multiplying each side by 2/5 gives x equals 2. Then when x equals 2, y equals 2 times 2 minus 4, which equals 0. So the intersection point of your two lines is 2, 0. So now use the distance formula to find the distance between your intersection point and the point 6, negative 2. So d equals the quantity 6 minus 2 squared plus the quantity negative 2 minus 0 squared. 6 minus 2 is 4, and negative 2 minus 0 is negative 2. 4 squared equals 16, and negative 2 squared equals 4. Then 16 plus 4 gives you 20, and the square root of 20 is approximately 4 5/10. The distance from point 6, negative 2 to the line y equals 2x minus 4 is about 4 5/10 units.